It's important for children to see church as a place and a people. That church is a place where we go to worship God. But that building is not just what church is. That church is also God's people coming together with our different cultural stories, our different ethnic backgrounds, our different life experiences, even as the book shows, different ways that we love to worship God. That expansive view really is what church is, God's people together. To be able to be a part of a brand new line, it's a wonderful adventure that not many people get to have. I have long respected InterVarsity's commitment to publishing authors of color and also publishing work that really helps to challenge and encourage the church, the body of Christ, to live up to what God called us to be, one body with different parts. I love that quote from Dr. King because it is a reminder of God's heart, that we are one body. We have different parts, and that's wonderful. I hope that people are reminded that they are part of the body of Christ, but that they're not the only part, and that we are all tied together, that we need one another, and that we really are better together. That is my prayer and my hope for this story, and I pray that God will use it far and wide to His glory and for the witness of His church.